I would recommend Anthony to others by saying, if you want a lawyer who knows the law and knows your case and knows how to help you, and is not just looking out to get money, contact Anthony. What was going on in my life before I reached out to Anthony? I was a student at CSUN, Cal State University Northridge, studying kinesiology, pursuing my degree to be a physical therapist, and life was just chaotic and hectic. The problems I was trying to solve before hiring Anthony, well, there were two problems. I had two different motor vehicle accidents. The first one, an elderly lady, blew past the stop sign and I completely T-boned her doing about 40 miles an hour. Second problem was almost a year and a half after closing that case, I was at a stoplight in a left turn lane. There's a moving truck in front of me, and this guy is backing up, and I start honking my horn. He just runs over the top of my car. Thank God there were witnesses. The intersection had cameras. Anthony was like, calm down, we'll take it step by step. And once again, walking through every process and made sure that I was taken care of health-wise and financially, and I was able to stay in school and not miss classes, and he was just an incredible help. The cadence and tone and smoothness of his voice, where he was just like, I gotcha, let me do what I do. It just brought a calmness over you where it's just like, okay, I'm in good hands. And Anthony just has a way of talking to you, not at you, about what's going on with you and your case and things in your life. Working with Anthony, what I was happy with in both cases were the results and his step-by-step process with contacting me. And even after the case closed, reaching out to me, seeing how am I doing, what's going on, not just collecting a check, caring about you, asking about my husband, life and school, and just following through and following up and continuing to be a great lawyer and person. In this day and age where people say, I called you, call me back, or give me a Zoom link, Anthony comes through every time in a manner which isn't so sterile, where people nowadays just send off an email expecting a response or a text message. He's patient, he addresses the issue, addresses you, and he is kind, warm, and loving. What my experience with Anthony is that if he doesn't know the answer to a question or doesn't know the question you were asking, he won't bullshit you. He'll ask it again and he'll give you the right answer. And he never leaves you wondering or questioning what is going on. I felt completely safe in both of my cases with Anthony. If I do have another accident, I will be more than happy to call Anthony, but at least I know if something else does happen or happens to a loved one or a friend of mine, I know for them to call Anthony that he will take care of them.